The Pandit Sundarlal Sharma Central Institute of Vocational Education, Bhopal, has developed videos for the vocational course on Wireman control panel in grade 11 and 12. Here are some of the topics that are covered through the course. Basics of electricity and electronics, electrical and electronic components, components value identification, electrical earthing system, cabling, electrical safety, tools and equipment used by wiremen, electromechanical assembly, wire preparation methods, and hazards with panel assembly and wiring. So please do visit the official YouTube channel of PSS Central Institute of Vocational Education, Bhopal, for watching the videos on Wireman control panel. After watching these videos, please like and subscribe to our official YouTube channel. Thank you.